Let's do one more, a little more involved than that. This is going to be a little more tricky. Okay? So let's do that. So here we go. Go and check the charges. Aluminum is a metal in group 3A, so it's positive 3. ClO4 is a polyatomic ion, has a charge of negative 1. I don't know why I have that 3 there. I guess I was anticipating what was about to happen. Let's get rid of that. Put the N back in there. Okay, so NH4 is a polyatomic ion on this chart of positive 1. And Cl is an ion by itself, so we have to get off the periodic chart. Chlorine is in group 7A. It's a non-metal. It's 1 away from 8, so that's negative 1. So now the Al and the NH4 are going to switch places. So that means the Al goes with the Cl, and the NH4 goes with the ClO4. Now we don't bring the parentheses and 3 over automatically. That's not part of what perchlorate is. It's just ClO4. We may need it, but let's find out. Okay? So now we need to make sure that these are the correct formulas for the compounds that we've created. So Al is positive 3, chlorine is negative 1. Right there, we can see that's an issue. That's not going to work. How many chlorines are we going to need to make that add up to 0? Yeah, 3. So put a little 3 by the chlorine. Don't use parentheses because it's not a polyatomic ion. It's just a singular ion. NH4 is positive 1. ClO4 is negative 1. That's already balanced. So we didn't need that little 3 to go over there. Okay? So, now we need the phases. So we start with AlCl3. Well, Al is not on that list of ions that's automatically soluble in water. Cl is not on that list of ions that's automatically soluble. So this is probably going to be the solid, but let's make sure and go over here first. NH4. NH4 is on the list of soluble ions. And ClO4 is also on that list of soluble ions, so obviously this is the aqueous and this is the solid. Now we need to balance the equations. Again, left-hand side of the arrow, right-hand side of the arrow. Al, just 1. ClO4, we got 3 of them. NH4, we have 1. And Cl, we have 1. Do the same thing on the right side. Al, we have 1. Cl, we got 3. NH4, we have 1 of them. And ClO4, we have 1 of them. Is this balanced? Well, we got 3 Cl's and only 1 over here. We got 3 ClO4s and only 1 over here. Well, we got to fix that. So Cl has 3 here, but only 1 up here. So let's put a 3 up there. Get the Cl's in balance. So on the left-hand side, Cl is now 3, but now we tripled the NH4 to 3. Okay? So now, the ClO4 and the NH4 are both 3's, and it's only 1 over here. So if I put a 3 in front of this, that will triple both of these, and now we have a balanced equation. And that's what you're going to be doing for this chapter. Okay? Your practice problems, I've given you 4 equations. Again, you need your periodic chart, your polyatomic ion chart, do the charges, do the double displacement, make sure the charges add up to 0 in the molecules that you've created, and make sure you have the right phases, and then balance them. So Just do what we did on the first three problems. Have fun!